Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to do something different. Now this is a request that I've got from some people. Basically, this is a video for defense pensioners. So there's an app for defense pensioners to see their pension account, to see all the money transaction and stuff. So you don't have to go to the bank every time. You can just see everything on your phone itself. Now since everyone has a smart device now, so you can use your phone itself to access your pension account. So now this is specifically for defense people. So if you are expecting something else, do not watch this video. This is just for defense people. This is the defense pension account video that I'm making. So there won't be any sensitive data over here. I would not be showing any sensitive data. It's just general information. So that you can install the app yourself. It's pretty easy, but this video is just to explain what all you can do with it and what are the options. So let's go ahead and see the options. Now in the document that we received, it says from 14th December 2016 this app is available on Google Play, but it's still not available on iOS. So this is an iPhone. So on an iPhone, if you search with defense pension info, you will not get this app. It's still not made. It's still under development, but it is available for Google Play. So on Google Play, you can get this app. So let's go ahead and install it. I have already installed it on this, but I'll show you a fresh installation. So I'll keep that aside. So first of all, we'll have to go into Google Play, search for DEFENCE Defense Pension Info. So this is what you have to search for, Defense Pension Info. Select that and make sure, now this is the important part, make sure it's from CGDA New Delhi. Now why I'm saying that this is important is because there are a lot of clone apps that are made. So you really would not know if it is the same one or not. Just one spelling here and there, and by mistake you might install a different app, and then you'll be giving your personal information to someone else. So make sure this is the one. Now these are the screenshots, so we'll see that anyways later on. So go ahead and install it. Now this is a 5 MB file. It will not take that long. I have a Geo connection, so it will run fast. So I'll show you when it opens up how it looks like, what are the options that you get, and then we can see the other phone which is already set up with this. So now it's installed. Okay, so that's the app, pension info. So these are the two options that you get. Now since you're a pensioner, now you get your salary from the bank. So basically the money comes into your bank. You're a bank pensioner, so you log in with the bank one. Okay, you'll get this information displayed above is as per the latest data provided by banks. So in case any disturbance, please contact. So basically you'll have to contact the bank in case you are not able to log in or there's some problem, but still. So what it'll ask you is for the bank name and the account number. Now the good thing is it does not ask you for a password. So you cannot transact on it. You cannot send money. No one can take money out of your account. So that way it is safe. But one thing is, if someone knows your bank account number, even they can put in the bank account number over here and access your data. So that you have to be careful of. So whichever bank account you have, select the bank account and then put in the bank account number. That's it. Once you do that, hit login and it'll log in. So once it logs in, I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, so let's take a look at the app itself. Now once you log in, after you put in your bank branch and your account number, this is the page that you'll get. Now the first one will show your profile. I cannot click on that because that will show my personal profile over there. That cannot be shown. Pension details, that also I cannot click because it will have all my pension detail. Pension slip, I can click on that though. I can click on it. It'll give me options of selecting the year, selecting the month, and then generate a pension statement. So that way it's like your salary slip. So every month what salary you got, pension slip will show you all the pension that you got. So that's a good thing. You can get that out in case you need loans and stuff. They ask you for salary slips. You can always give them a pension slip in case they need that. Grievances. Basically, this is meant for complaints and stuff, but when you click on this will take you to the actual website. So now it'll take you to the website, and then you'll get all the options. So I don't know, I think maybe the link is missing or something. So it takes you to the actual website. So you have all the options there. So you can click on whatever you want, but you can put your grievances over there. And then this is for your knowledge. In case you do not know anything about this app, you want to learn more about this app, then you click on this and it'll help you in knowing your pension. In case you do not know all the details regarding your pension, you can go ahead and learn from here. It will not give you your exact pension and stuff. There's no details of your account over here. This is a generic help page where you can get the information and then apply that to your account. So in case you have doubts about your pension, the rates, now for OROP rates, all these inquiries, you can just click over here. Now you can click here for the inquiries. That'll take you over here. You have to select the category. So you have all these categories over here. Select type and then submit. And then you can submit an inquiry there. But for self-help, this is the page. I'll take you back to that one again. You have to hit OK at the bottom. Oh, sorry, start at bottom. Click on start and this will come up. Then you can go through all these fields and then see all the information that's available. So that's basically it. There are no transactions allowed over here. So it's not like a money transaction portal or something. So it's kind of safe. Even if someone gets to know your account number, they can see what pension you're getting, take out your pension slips and stuff, but they cannot transact on it. So it's safe in that way. So this is your personal information that you're putting in here. So I'll recommend you not to share it. So this is your own pension. Do not share your information with anyone. So that's it. That's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.